Sell your Jamaican home like a reggae anthem, finding the rhythm to move your property fast. By Jamaica Homes, published on July 2nd, 2025. When you think about Jamaica, you think reggae, the beat that moves the island's heart, the culture that tells stories of struggle, triumph, and joy. Just like a timeless reggae anthem, selling your Jamaican home is about catching the right rhythm and striking the perfect chord with buyers. Dean Jones, founder of Jamaica Homes and a proud Realtor associate at Coldwell Banker Jamaica Realty, knows this well. He says, selling a Jamaican home is like crafting a reggae hit. It's got to have soul, story, and a beat that makes people feel connected. The beat of the market, how Jamaican homes dance to a new rhythm. Since the pandemic, the housing market in Jamaica has been shifting its tempo. What was once a frenetic dance, with homes flying off the market like a dance hall party on fire, has slowed to a steady reggae groove. Homes in Jamaica today typically sell within a few weeks to a couple of months in high-demand areas, with well-priced listings often moving swiftly. However, properties in rural regions, unique builds, or those with issues may take 6 months or more. This shift reflects a more balanced market than the fast-paced pandemic period, offering sellers time to craft their narrative and connect with the right buyer, provided they price and present their home strategically. Dean Jones advises, the market's rhythm may have changed, but with the right moves, you can still be the star of the show. Jamaican homes, each with its own unique melody. Like reggae's many styles, ska, rocksteady, roots, and dancehall, Jamaican homes come in many forms, each with a unique vibe and value. Zinc and board houses, the island's humble, resilient homes, often built by hand with what was available. They carry the spirit of generations, but might show wear and tear. Like a well-worn guitar with a story to tell. Evolving one room at a time, builds. These homes grow with the family, adding rooms over time, just as reggae music evolves with every verse. But piecemeal construction can bring structural challenges, uneven foundations, and cracks that affect market value. Country homes, nestled in the lush hills of St. Elizabeth or the serene reaches of Portland, these homes sing the soulful ballads of Jamaica's rural life. Colonial homes, with their grand verandas and sweeping views, these houses are like classic reggae legends, rich in history and culture, sometimes needing restoration, but priceless to those who know their tune. Dean Jones reminds us, each home is like a reggae song. Some are hits worldwide, some local favorites, but all tell a story worth listening to. Pricing your home, finding the right beat. In Jamaica's real estate dancehall, pricing is the DJ controlling the vibe. Price too high, and the crowd, buyers, might skip your track. Too low, and you lose value. In fact, if your pricing is way off, your listing might end up being what Jamaicans call a washout, like a party where nobody shows up. The photos go up, the listing is live, but when viewing day comes, not a single buyer walks through the gate. Crickets. That's what happens when the price sets the wrong tempo. It repels interest rather than drawing it in. A new, modern 3-bedroom home in Kingston, with a solid foundation and updated amenities, might command a higher price than a 6-bedroom home built bit by bit, with cracks and uneven floors. But, and here's the twist, if that older home carries cultural or historical weight, like the former residence of a reggae pioneer or a maroon leader's compound, it could be a platinum record in the market. Dean Jones explains, pricing Jamaican homes means tuning into the mix of structure, story, and soul, and knowing which notes resonate with buyers. The first impression, your home's opening verse. Just as a reggae song hooks you from the first beat, a home must catch the buyer's eye from the moment they arrive. A zinc roof that shines under the Jamaican sun, a tidy yard with bright tropical flowers, or a freshly painted veranda can turn curiosity into love. Decluttering and freshening up spaces are like perfecting the rhythm section, creating a smooth flow that invites buyers to imagine their lives in that space. Dean Jones says, a home that welcomes you like the warm embrace of a reggae rhythm will have buyers dancing to your tune. Marketing, spreading your home song across Jamaica and beyond. In the digital age, your home's listing is like a reggae hit that needs airplay on social media, real estate sites, and diaspora networks worldwide. Professional photos that capture the Caribbean light, drone shots showcasing panoramic views of Montego Bay or the Blue Mountains, and descriptions that tell the story of the home and its community turn browsers into buyers. Dean Jones notes, marketing your home is like playing a reggae track loud and proud. It's about sharing your story with the world, loud enough to be heard, deep enough to be felt. Location, the island's rhythm section. Location, location, location is the reggae bassline. Now underpinning every good sale, homes near beaches, resorts, or bustling cities like Kingston tend to have a faster tempo in the market. But sometimes it's the hidden gems, a quiet zinc house in a village known for its culture, or a colonial estate near historic landmarks that play the sweetest, most enduring tunes. Dean Jones reflects, just like reggae's roots in every corner of Jamaica, every location has a rhythm, and the right buyer will dance to yours. The right agent, your sound engineer and roadie. Behind every great reggae artist is a team that tunes the instruments and manages the tour. Similarly, a seasoned Jamaican realtor is essential for navigating the unique challenges of your property story. Dean Jones says, a good agent is like a sound engineer. They bring out the best in your home, making sure it hits every note perfectly and reaches the right audience. Final verse. Selling your Jamaican home with soul. Selling a home in Jamaica isn't just a business transaction. It's sharing a piece of the island's heartbeat. Whether it's a zinc shack humming with family history or a colonial mansion echoing with the past, each home carries a reggae story waiting to be heard. Dean Jones concludes, when you sell a Jamaican home, you're sharing a rhythm, one that connects past, present, and future. Get the beat right, and the dancehall floor will be full. So if you're ready to sell your home, find your rhythm with a trusted agent and let the island's timeless spirit guide your journey.